Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam error code E84. Right, so in this video I will show a couple of solutions, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser, go to Steam, and then press login, and then change your password. So what you need to do here is to help I can't sign in, and then I forgot my Steam account name and password, and then just basically put your email. Then you will be sent a confirmation code to your email, and basically then you can change your password, right? And if this not fixed your problem, then the next thing what you can do here is to delete temporary files. So just on search write delete temporary files here, here temporary files, and then what you need to do here next is to, as you can see here, remove files. All right, and after you've done this, then if the problem persists, the next solution for you is to set date automatically. So what you need to do here is to go to date and time settings, make sure that set date automatically is on, and then press sync now button, right? And if the problem persists, then another solution for you is to open up a Steam shortcut here. So open up Steam, basically locate your Steam shortcut, go to properties, and here you need to write -login and then space, and then write again no react login, and then press OK, apply and OK. And if this basically not fixed your solution, the next thing that you can do here, restart your computer, or you can go to here, check for updates, and basically install a latest driver to your drivers to your operating system if there is availability here, right? But nevertheless, if there is no updates here, after these steps, restart your computer and see if the problem fixed or not, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.